So now we've completed the practical demonstration of using the EnerPeel iron lip. I'm just going to show you as a concluding part to this presentation how we then take the apparatus apart and store it. So take the tip off, that will be going to clinical waste. Make sure that the needle, so that's unlocked, that's locked. In the locked position, then just pull the vial out, put that vial cap back on. We recommend you keep this out of the light and store it back in its pack. This can be used on multiple patients. So that goes back in there. So you've still got the prep wipes there, the cartridges with the gel in, and this applicator, you can cleanse and sterilize it, and then that will go back in its box. So you've got the other tips here for your other clients, and this is the neutralizer wipe. And then we close the box and wait for probably a very short time for the next client who's going to have a periorbital and peri-oral, as in an iron lip peel. Thank you very much.